Have you ever wondered how those shiny panels on rooftops can magically turn sunlight into electricity to power our homes? It might seem like science fiction, but solar panels use some amazing science to convert the sun's energy into power we can use every day. Today we're going to explore exactly how this incredible process works, step by step, so you'll understand the fascinating technology behind solar energy. Solar panels are made from a special material called silicon, which comes from sand. Yes, the same stuff you find at the beach. Silicon is perfect for solar panels because it has special properties that help it capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. The silicon is processed into very thin, flat sheets called wafers, which are then treated with other chemicals to make them even better at their job. These silicon wafers are the heart of every solar panel, and without them, we couldn't harness the power of the sun. When sunlight hits a solar panel, something amazing happens at a microscopic level that we can't see with our eyes. The light is made up of tiny particles called photons, and when these photons crash into the silicon, they knock electrons loose from their atoms. Think of it like a game of pool where the photons are the cue ball hitting the other balls and making them move around. This process creates a flow of tiny electrical particles that we can capture and use as electricity. Solar panels are actually made of two different layers of silicon that work together like a team. One layer is treated to have extra electrons, called negative, while the other layer has spaces where electrons are missing, called positive. When sunlight knocks electrons loose, they naturally want to move from the negative layer to the positive layer, creating an electrical current. It's like water flowing downhill. The electrons always move in the same direction, giving us a steady flow of electricity. The electricity that comes straight from solar panels isn't quite ready to power your PlayStation or charge your phone yet. Solar panels produce something called direct current, DC, but most of our household appliances need alternating current, AC, to work properly. That's where a special device called an inverter comes in. It converts the DC electricity into AC electricity that can power everything in your home. The inverter is like a translator that helps the solar electricity speak the same language as your appliances. What happens when the sun isn't shining, like at night or on cloudy days? That's where batteries come in to save the day. Solar batteries can store the extra electricity that your panels make during sunny periods, keeping it safe until you need it later. Think of it like saving your allowance in a piggy bank. You put money in when you have it, and take it out when you need to buy something. Modern solar batteries are getting better and better at storing large amounts of energy for longer periods of time. The amount of electricity a solar panel can produce depends on several important factors that work together. The size of the panel, how much direct sunlight it gets, and even the temperature outside all affect how much power it can generate. A typical home solar panel can produce enough electricity to power about 10 to 15 light bulbs for a whole day when the sun is shining brightly. On a really sunny day, a house with enough solar panels might even make more electricity than it uses, sending the extra power back to the electrical grid for other people to use. Scientists and engineers are constantly working to make solar panels even better, cheaper, and more efficient than they are today. New types of solar panels are being developed that can capture more sunlight and turn it into electricity more effectively. Some exciting new technologies include flexible solar panels that can bend and fold, and even transparent solar panels that could be built into windows. As this technology keeps improving, solar power will become an even more important way to create clean, renewable energy for everyone. Now I'd love to hear from you. What other renewable energy sources are you curious about, and which one do you think has the most potential to power our future? Please post your thoughts in the comments section below.